外向
Being extrovert.
外向是指一個人將注意力與精力主要投向外在世界，性格開朗活潑，善於交際。內向的人善於交際，喜歡與別人交流，所以很容易結識朋友。
Extroverted people are good at socializing and enjoy interacting with others, so they find it easy to make friends.
內向的人因為不喜歡獨處，往往難以專心地單獨工作。
Extroverts often struggle to focus on solitary work because they dislike being alone.